Hello everyone, special thank you to Peter in Lindenhurst, New York. This is freeprescriptionlenses.com, where everyone loves a bargain and no one is disappointed with quality. I am the hardest working optician in the industry. My name is C More Better, but call me Mo Better, because I'm going to have you seeing Mo Better, looking Mo Better, and show everyone else how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses when I show you Peter's fifth pair of lenses, third pair of glasses he's gotten from me this year. He had two pair of Bose smart glasses that I put lenses in, and he's bought the American Optical Saratoga, which I already have packed up ready to ship. Excuse me, just about to ship these, and I said let me show everyone how nice this looks. This is the cough edition. Turn your head and cough. He got the American Optical Original Pilot, and of course American Optical and American Original since 1833. He got the Original Pilot 55 eye size, and I'm not sure what the color is, BTCL, I'm not sure what they call that, but it looks like silver to me. It comes with the original demo lenses. Oh wait, these go with the Saratoga. These go with the Saratoga. These were the lenses that came out of here. I told you I had everything packed up and ready to go, but you get the fold over leather case that just smells amazing. That's what I was doing. And hang on, let me show you. You want to see one more nice cool thing? It's the little things in life. And American Optical does this. One of the oldest American frame companies still in existence. They have the schematic blueprints. Now I'm only going to be able to fold this up right. The schematic blueprints for their frames, and it tells you from the monoblock hinge to the dimensional temple shape, the bayonet temple, which these have, by the way. Oh, and he got the Zeiss Polarized Grey lenses with the cool blue mirror. I've highlighted prescription for the left eye, same for the right eye, but these are designed, like I said, it's called the Pilot because you'll be able to, if you had a helmet on, you could slide these on and off without having to take off your helmet. From the top you can see the built-in wrap that it has to go around your ears, so you don't have to worry about it coming off, since it doesn't have the spatula temple, as these are called, that curve down behind your ears. Now this is the cool blue mirror as seen, but I can do these in any of the colors here: matte silver, shiny silver, matte gold, shiny gold, matte blue, what they call the strong blue, the cool blue that he got, a green, and a red. These are all from Zeiss. These are the mirrors that I can do for you, and that's it. So again, when he looks out, he sees the gray, the dark gray. When people look at him, they see the cool blue mirror. Now a dark lens absorbs the sun's rays. A mirrored lens reflects it back, making it 30 to 40% darker, which he's going to need there in New York. So, but that's that. If you have any questions, go to the contact us page of the website. You can email us directly at freeprescriptionlenses@gmail.com. You can call my partner / apprentice Jigsaw at 919-491-2411. He just set up a WhatsApp line, so you just do a +1 in front of that number to reach him. And of course, anyone can leave a question or comment in the comment section below, and we will answer it for you. But Peter, thank you for your fifth purchase. Number 4 was the American Optical Saratoga with the Photo Fusion Gray and the Duravision Platinum Premium Anti-Glare. This time, number 5 is the American Optical Pilot Polarized Gray with the cool blue mirror. Fun fact, everyone, this is the color I wear in my sunglasses too, so Peter and I have something in common. So again, thanks for watching. Click on the link above to go to the website, and hopefully now everyone else has gotten a chance to see how I bring that loving feeling back to glasses. Thank you.